Hello and welcome to my channel Cervical Dystonia. I am feeling better and I want to update you the setting of pillows that has worked for me and I am sleeping very well. Now this is the setting of three pillows. This is the one that gives the support from this side and this is the main pillow here and under is the pillow. Now this is the adjustment. Watch this here. This has helped me very much in my sleeping. So you could also try this way to find the optimized sleeping postures and many things. So if you find this helpful, subscribe my channel, like my this video, and we can manage cervical dystonia very well. Some months ago, I had increased symptoms of dystonia, but I could not share with you because viewers are limited. So if you want to encourage me to upload more content, you will have to subscribe my channel, like my this video, and share my this video. I'll be giving you cervical dystonia management tips that will work for you also as they are working for me. But for this, you will have to give the due respect to my channel, will have to watch it, share it, like it, and give it such priority that it is monetized, because the time is money and I have too much to do. I have eight YouTube channels. I am writing books. I have many works to do. So I will give time to the content that gives some uh, profit in monetary terms. Thanks for watching. Anyway, if you want to ask any question regarding this set, how I had purchased many pillows, different, but that were not working as good as well as this is working for me. So it could work also for you. Bye for now.